And this applies to single and married people as well. Doesn't mean that someone is married, then they're immune to it. Doesn't mean that. Even if someone is married, they can also stumble in situations like that. So we have to really take control of what's entering in our minds. What are we consuming? Because you'll find online, there are also people that live a certain lifestyle that want to attract people. Like OnlyFans, for example. That is one of the leading sites and probably a leading platform that's attracting a lot of people. And they use other platforms like YouTube, Instagram to attract people, unsuspecting. And now with AI, some people use AI to create models or content that makes people start feeling like they want to lust. And it's not even a real person. Imagine that. Imagine that. It's not even a real person. It's AI that's being used. It's AI that's being used. So really think about, what content am I consuming? Is this in alignment with scripture? Think about the places that you're going to. If you're going to nightlife, nothing good happens after midnight. We've heard that saying. We've all heard that saying. I've also had a life where I was into that lifestyle of going out like till 5 a.m., 6 a.m. You're out, or 7 a.m. And that was something that I never thought anything wrong about it, thought anything bad about it. But when you start breaking down the patterns to see like, okay, where does this lead? Where does this take you? Where does this take you in your life? You realize that there's no fruit there. You realize that there's no fruit. Some are lucky to realize earlier on, and some don't realize it until it's too late. And some don't even get to realize it because their life ends when they're still in that lifestyle. So it's very important. It's very important to examine every thought, to be in alignment, because if you're not in alignment, you're one person throughout the week, you're another person on Saturday, then you're another person on Sunday. That's if you even go to church. And if you're not hungover, or if you're not, I don't know what you're doing on Sundays, but if you're a different person every single time, it's not good for your mental health because you're not living in alignment with your values, with who you are. Why is your life so fragmented? And why do you have so many different personalities? Who are you trying to hide from? Are you guarding your mind?